Other ways to say hurry up.
Hurry up. Let's go faster. Come on. Move along. Move it. Get a move on. Shake a leg. Let's speed up.
Other ways to say disagree. No. No way. Bad idea. Forget it. Go to hell. I disagree. I'm sorry, but I don't agree. Other ways to say bad. Awful, naughty, mean, weak, lousy, nasty, unpleasant, terrible. Other ways to say sad. Depressed, gloomy, miserable. Cheerless, unhappy, upset, downcast, tearful. Other ways to say I think.
I think, I assume, I consider. It's my view. I guess, as far I know, I believe, the way I see it.
Other ways to say thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.